Hey guys, I'm just gonna be reviewing the two stuff I got yesterday. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first up is like scary book. Now I really like him. I played with him yesterday on Lego Bunchians, and he's just great. Right? And this is like a big look at it. And the other bit is his utility belt is unremovable, so I'll show that right now. Okay,